Hi friends, today I will discuss about PySpark project. PySpark is the collaboration of Apache Spark and Python. Apache Spark is an open source cluster computing framework built around speed, ease of use, and streaming analytics, whereas Python is a general purpose, high level programming language. In Python programming language, we can also work with RDDs using PySpark. RDD is used to handle any type of data. Data frame only handles structured and semi-structured data. Most of will have a client structured data. That's why we are using data frame. Spark is a data processing engine. If we want to process big data, we need a engine. Engine means some servers. I will open my Databricks account. Go to Google Chrome, community dot cloud.databricks.com. Click enter. I will enter my username and password. See, this is my Databricks account. In this Databricks account, first of all we need to create a cluster. Click new cluster. Cluster means group of servers. I will provide a name as test. Click create cluster. See, cluster will be creating. Then after that we need to create a notebook. Click workspace. Click create. Click notebook. I will be provided name as development. Click create. In this notebook we need to attach a cluster. See, whenever we have to see in green mark, the test cluster is running state. Now we have to implement our practical project. I will print hello. Click Ctrl plus enter or click run cell to execute a line. See, output will be came. I will show different ways to create RDD. RDD is a resilient distributed data set. M is equal 1 comma Virat. Click enter. R1 is equal sc dot. I will use a function called parallelize of m. Click enter. R1 dot collect. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, RDD will be created. If you want to work with RDDs, we have to use collect function. If you want to work with data frame, we have to use show function. To comment all those lines, we have to use control plus question mark. I will create another way. R2 is equal sc.text file. We have to provide a file path. I will upload a file. Go to data, click add data. Already I will upload a file. Go to database file system, click file store, click tables, click customer to copy this file path. Go to workspace, click development and paste it here. R2.collect. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, in this list contains 9 records. I want to see third record. R2.collect of 3. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, third record will be came. I want to see single record in a list by using function called split. I want to see every single record as in a list by using function called map. Click enter. R3 is equal R2.map. I will be provided function called lambda x colon x dot split. In this split I will be provided as comma. Click enter. R3.collect. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, every record will be considered as a list. I will create a data frame. df is equal spark dot create data frame. I will be provided some values. One comma. I will be provided name as Virat. Comma. 2 comma. I will be provided another name as Rohit. Click enter. df.show. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, data frame will be created. To read the data into data frame by using df is equal to spark.read.csv. df is equal to spark.read.csv. I will be provided as file path, comma header is equal to true. Click enter. df.show. Click Ctrl plus Enter. See, output will become whenever we are not given header is equal to this line also consider as record. We have to create an empty RDD. By using a function called we have to import struct type. I will create an empty RDD. First of all, we need to import struct type from PySpark dot SQL dot types. Import struct type. Click enter. I will be provided schema is equal to struct type. Click enter. df is equal to SQL context dot create data frame of sc dot empty RDD. Comma, I will be provided schema. Click enter. df dot serve. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, empty RDD will be created. I have to see columns in a file by using function called column. df dot columns. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, customer ID, customer name, customer contact, customer location. These all are columns. I have to see only 3 records in a file by using function called take or head. Both are same functions. df dot take of 3. Comment it. Ctrl plus enter. See, 3 records will be shown. I have to see columns data types in a file by using function called dtypes. df dot dtypes. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, customer ID string, customer name string, customer contact string, customer location string. I have to see first record in a file by using function called first. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, first record will be written. I have to see how many records in a file by using function called count. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, 8 records in a file. Concatenate 2 columns by using function called concat. First of all, we need to import concatenate function from PySpark.sql.functions import concat. df is equal spark.read.csv. I will copy this line and paste it here. click enter. df2 is equal df dot with column to add a new column. I will be provided contact. Comma concat. I have to use a function called lit. Whenever we have to use constant value by using lit. I will be provided as phone number 9515253260. Comma column of customer ID. Dot so. Click Ctrl plus enter. Lit is not defined. Okay, I will import lit comma column. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, output will be came. Contact replaced with CU by using function call with column renamed. df2 is equal df dot with column renamed. I want to rename C contact. C contact replace with CU. df2 dot so. Click Ctrl plus enter. C contact replaced with CU. To drop column by using drop function. I want to drop C name. With column renamed replace with drop. Dot so. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, C name will be dropped. We have another function called collect underscore list. Collect underscore list is an aggregated function. Returns a list of objects with duplicates. I will be created data frame. df is equal spark dot create data frame. I will be provided some values 2, 5, 5. I will be given. Header I will be given as click enter. df dot aggregate of collect underscore list of age dot collect. We have to import collect underscore list from PySpark dot SQL dot functions import collect underscore list. Click Ctrl plus enter. Parse exception. Okay, semicolon given as this place. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, output will be written. We have another function called collect underscore set. Returns a list of objects with duplicate elements eliminated. Collect underscore list replaced with collect underscore set. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, duplicate elements eliminated. Only 5, 2 will be written. We have another function called add underscore months. Returns the date, that is months after start. First of all, we need to import a add underscore month. Import add underscore months. Click enter. df is equal spark dot create data frame. I will be provided as date 2019 single quotes 2019 hyphen 09 hyphen 05. Comma, header will be given single quotes date. Click enter. df dot select of add underscore months of df dot dt. I will add 1 month. 1 dot collect. Click Ctrl plus enter. Cannot infer schema. Okay. Comma will be provided. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, output will be came 9th month add and I will be add 1 month like 10. We have another function called collage. Collage returns the first column, that is not null. I will be created new data frame. Create data frame. I will be provided some values. One comma none comma 2. I will be provided as 2 headers A comma B. df dot show. Click Ctrl plus Enter. Cannot infer schema for type. Okay. df is equal to spark dot create data frame 1, none. Click Ctrl plus Enter. See, output will be written. We have another function called concat underscore whitespace. Concatenates multiple input string columns together into a single string column using the given separator. I have to import concat underscore whitespace. I will create a data frame. df is equal spark.create data frame. I will be provided values. ABC, I will be provided another value 1, 2, 3, comma, I will be given a header as S and D, S comma D. Click Enter. df dot select of concat underscore whitespace I will be provided underscore comma df dot s comma df dot d. Dot collect. Click Ctrl plus Enter. See, ABC underscore 1, 2, 3 will be written. We have another function called convert. Convert a number in a string column from one base to another. I will be imported convert function. Convert df is equal to spark dot create data frame. I will be provided different value like 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Single quote. Comma. I will be provided as header n. df dot select convert of df dot n df dot n dot collect. Click Ctrl plus Enter. Missing 2 required positional arguments from base to base. Okay. df is equal to spark dot create data frame. Okay, df dot n from base I will be provided to base I will be provided 6. Click Ctrl plus Enter. See, output will be came. We have another function called date underscore add. Returns the date, that is days after start. I will import date underscore add. Date underscore add. df is equal to spark dot create data frame. I will be add new date 2020-09-07. I will be provided as header dt df dot select date underscore add df dot dt. I will be add 1. Click Ctrl plus enter. Cannot infer schema for type. df is equal to spark dot create data frame. Comma. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, one date will be added. 7 replaced with 8. We have another function called date underscore format. Converts a date to a value of string in the format specified by the date format given by the second argument. I will import a date underscore format. Date underscore format df is equal to spark dot create data frame. I will be provided date underscore format of date comma. I will be provided month, date and year dot collect. Click Ctrl plus enter. See 09/07/2020 date will be written, month 9, date 7, year 2020. We have another function called date underscore sub. Returns the date, that is days before start. I will import it date underscore sub days before start. Date underscore sub I will be provided date as df dot dt comma 1. Click Ctrl plus enter. Missing one required positional argument, days. Okay. Date underscore sub df dot dt comma 1. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, output will be written previous date 6. We have another function called dateDiff. Returns the number of days from start to end. I will import a dateDiff. I will create a new data frame. df is equal to spark dot create data frame. I will be provided different dates. to 2020-09-07 comma. I will be provided another date 2020-08-09 06. I will be provided as two arguments d1 comma d2. d1 comma d2. df dot select date diff of df dot d1 comma df dot d2. Click Ctrl plus Enter. See, output will be written. We have another function called day of month. Day of month extract the day of the month of a given date as integer. I will import a day of month. df is equal spark dot create data frame. I will be provided another name. In this date I will be provided df dot select date diff replace with day of month. Day of month of dt. Click Ctrl plus Enter. Cannot enforce schema for okay, comma, click Ctrl plus Enter. See, day of month 7. We have another function called day of week. Extract the day of the week of a given date as integer. I will import a day of week. Day of month replace with day of week. Click Ctrl plus Enter. See, day of week is equal to, we have another function called day of year. Extract the day of the year of a given date as integer. I will import a day of year. Day of week replace with day of year. Click Ctrl plus Enter. See, day of year 251. We have another function called factorial. Factorial returns the factorial of a given value. I will import a factorial. df is equal to spark dot create data frame. I will be provided as different value 5, comma, I will be provided as argument n. df dot select factorial of df dot n. Factorial of df dot n. Click Ctrl plus Enter. See, 5 factorial is 120. We have another function called greatest. Returns the greatest value of the list of column names, skipping null values. This function takes at least 2 parameters. It will return null if all parameters are null. I will import a greatest. Greatest. I will create a data frame. df is equal to spark dot create data frame. I will be provided different values 1, 5, 4. I will be provided as arguments a, b, c. df dot select greatest df dot a comma df dot b comma df dot c. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, greatest value was 5. We have another function called hour. Extract the hours of a given date as integer. I will import it hour. I will create a new data frame. df is equal to spark dot create data frame. I will be provided as time like 2020 -09 -07 13 hours 6 minutes and 14 seconds. I will be provided. I will be consider t as argument. df dot select hour of df dot t. Click Ctrl plus enter. Okay. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, 13 hours will be written. We have another function called minute. Extract the hours of a given date as extract the minutes of a given date as integer. I will import minute and second also. Hour replace with minute. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, 6 minutes will be written. We have another function called second. Extract the seconds of a given date as integer. Minute replace with second. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, 14 seconds will be written. We have another function called initCap. InitCap translate the first letter of each word to uppercase in the sentence. I will import an initCap function. Import initCap. I will create a data frame. df is equal to spark dot create data frame. I will be provided values as a, b, c, d, comma a will be provided df dot select initCap of df dot select initCap of I will be provided as a. Click Ctrl plus enter. Cannot infer schema or type. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, small a replaced with capital A, small c replaced with capital C. We have another function called inString. InString locate the position of the first occurrence of substring column in the given string. I will import inString. df is equal to spark dot create data frame. I will provide another value like ABCD, comma, I will be provided as argument as df dot select in string df dot s comma, I will be provided value as b. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, output will be written second position. We have another function called last day. Last day returns the last day of the month which the given date belongs to. I will import last day, last underscore day. df is equal to spark dot create data frame. Like 2020 -09/06 I will be given, comma, df dot select last underscore day, last underscore day of df dot d. Click Ctrl plus enter. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, 2020 9/30, last day was 30. We have another function called list, returns the list value of the list of columns. I will import a list function. df is equal to spark dot create data frame. I will be provided values 1, 4, 7. Comma, headers will be provided as ABC, A, comma, B, comma, C. df dot select list of df dot A, comma, df dot B, comma, df dot C. Click Ctrl plus enter. See, list value 1 will be written.